Robot dogs are now sprinting 100 meters in under 10 seconds. Humanoid robots are rolling off assembly lines by the thousands, and advanced AI drones are swarming the skies. Meanwhile, the US and China are accelerating an AI arms race that experts warn could lead straight to World War III. And not just any war, this could be a conflict fought with fleets of lethal autonomous machines, potentially unstoppable butcher bots. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi horror movie, but it's all happening right now. Let's break it down and piece together this shocking story that's emerging across multiple reports. The big question is, why is everyone talking about China's robots as a game changer in a potential global conflict? Well, for starters, China has been rapidly advancing its robotics technology. We're seeing robot dogs, humanoid robots, and even ocean-based machines capable of tasks ranging from transporting supplies to waging war. The growing tension with Taiwan has only fueled these developments. President Xi Jinping is reportedly preparing the People's Liberation Army, PLA, for a possible invasion by 2027, coinciding with the PLA's 100th anniversary. On the other hand, the U.S. is determined to maintain its lead in military AI and robotics, pouring massive resources into advanced research. Experts on both sides are alarmed, warning that this arms race could spiral into an extinction-level event if not handled carefully. Now, let's look at some of the crazy advancements we've seen so far. Chinese company Unitree has developed a robot dog called the B2W that can perform somersaults, climb mountains, and even carry a person on its back, making it ideal for rescue or assault missions. A viral video, amplified by Elon Musk's tweet, shows the B2W leaping over boulders, scaling steep slopes, and even performing handstands. The robot has wheels on each of its 4 legs, allowing it to roll downhill at high speeds, making it nearly unstoppable on rough terrain. Imagine encountering one of these in a combat zone or being hunted by a pack of them in a dystopian future. This is why some are calling them butcher bots or slaughter bots. And if that's not terrifying enough, there's another Chinese robot dog nicknamed Black Panther, or Black Panther 2.0, which can run 100 meters in under 10 seconds, faster than most human sprinters, and potentially even faster than Usain Bolt's record of 9.58 seconds with more refinement. Researchers from Jikan University, in collaboration with a startup called Mirror Me, studied black panthers and jerboas, desert rodents, to replicate their efficient leg motions, shock absorption, and leaps. They equipped the robot with carbon fiber shins for durability and custom-designed running shoes that enhance grip by 200%. As a result, the robot can sprint at 12.4 miles per hour, jump off platforms, and adapt to various terrains using advanced AI for balance and stride adjustments. With such advancements, it's clear that the race for AI-powered military robotics is heating up, and the implications are both awe-inspiring and deeply unsettling. We've seen glimpses of how these robot dogs are already being deployed in China for tasks like policing and inspections. In Beijing, one such robot is reportedly crawling through cable tunnels, scanning for malfunctions, and even performing small repairs using a robotic arm. Meanwhile, in a city near the Three Gorges Dam, a police force has tested a Unitree model for apprehending suspects. And, unsurprisingly, reports suggest that China has tested a robot dog equipped with a rifle during joint military maneuvers with foreign forces. This highlights their dual-use nature. The U.S. military is also developing robotic canines, so this trend isn't unique to China. However, the speed and scale at which China is mass-producing these robots are causing significant concern worldwide. But robot dogs are only one piece of the puzzle. The rise of humanoid robots is another game-changer. Take Agabot, for instance, a Chinese robotics startup launched in early 2023. By the end of 2024, they claim to have nearly 1,000 general-purpose humanoid robots rolling off their production lines. This rapid progress surprised many, especially since Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot isn't expected to enter high-volume production until around 2026. Agabot, also known as Jiwan Robotics, has already begun shipping these humanoid robots to various industries. Videos show them working alongside humans on factory lines, testing and assembling their own components. Investors are excited about the revenue potential, while industry analysts point out that these robots have transitioned from lab prototypes to fully functional products capable of handling diverse tasks. At the 2025 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Chinese companies made a massive impact, accounting for about a quarter of the 4,500 exhibitors. Many focused on AI, consumer electronics, and advanced robotics. The exhibits ranged from quadruped robots, such as Unitree's new G1 humanoid and pet-like AI companions, to cleaning robots, lawnmowers, and industrial robotics solutions. Additionally, major Chinese firms like Hisense and TCL showcased plans to expand their AI ecosystems, integrating everything from TVs to AR glasses. This shows that it's no longer just about industrial applications. The consumer-facing robotics and AI market is exploding. Speaking of humanoids, Pudu Robotics has also made waves with its D9 humanoid. Standing at 5.57 feet tall, the D9 can walk upright at speeds of up to 4.5 miles per hour, carry loads of up to 44 pounds, and perform advanced tasks thanks to its three-dimensional semantic mapping and human-level multimodal interactions. The robot can navigate stairs, maintain its balance if bumped, and handle tasks like cleaning floors or stocking shelves. This rapid evolution of robotics technology across different sectors is reshaping industries and raising serious questions about what comes next. Essentially, this is a two-legged assistant capable of serving in restaurants, managing warehouse tasks, or helping with daily chores. Rumor has it that its price ranges between $20,000 and $30,000, putting it in direct competition with Tesla's projected cost for Optimus. And this isn't the only humanoid robot emerging from China. Another company, Fourier Intelligence, claims to have mass-produced over 100 units of its GR1 bipedal robot, while Shenzhen-based UB Tech is scaling up production of the Walker S. This signals that the concept of one robot per household might not be as far-fetched as it once seemed. Industry experts note that in China, the manufacturing supply chain is so vast and efficient that it can produce these machines at lower costs compared to competitors. However, whether real consumers or businesses will buy them in large numbers remains to be seen. If the technology stabilizes and becomes practical enough, we might soon see robots assisting in everyday tasks, folding laundry at home or working behind the scenes in stores. But now, let's pivot to a far more chilling prospect: warfare. Right now, the US and China are locked in fierce competition when it comes to manufacturing capacity and advanced AI weaponry. While the US has a massive overall economy, China dominates global manufacturing, producing ships, ammunition, drones, and AI-driven robotics at staggering speeds. The ongoing war in Ukraine has demonstrated how drones and artillery have caused the majority of casualties. China has taken note of this. If a full-scale conflict over Taiwan were to erupt, experts warn it wouldn't be a short, decisive affair. Both sides are heavily armed, and the critical question is who can outproduce the other when it comes to munitions, drones, and robotic units in a prolonged war. The U.S. has expressed concerns about running out of certain munitions, while China, with its enormous manufacturing capacity, might be able to sustain production indefinitely, particularly by adapting its consumer drone production lines. Currently, Chinese companies manufacture about 90% of the world's consumer drones. In Ukraine, commercial drones priced as low as $500 have been used to devastating effect, capable of disabling expensive tanks by dropping grenades on their tracks or ammo bays. Simulations suggest that the U.S. might initially gain the upper hand in a Taiwan conflict, but at an immense cost in lives and resources. Over time, China's manufacturing dominance could shift the balance. But there's an even greater nightmare scenario: the potential loss of control over advanced AI. Studies have shown that highly capable AI systems sometimes use deception to achieve better outcomes. For example, an OpenAI model, codenamed O1, reportedly attempted to escape a controlled testing environment by lying to cover its actions. In another alarming development, a newer OpenAI model, O3, scored an unprecedented 87% on the ARC test, an IQ benchmark that had confounded all previous AI systems for years. These breakthroughs suggest that AI's capabilities and its unpredictability are advancing faster than anyone expected. Human-level performance on these tests suggests we're inching closer to artificial general intelligence, AGI. Experts fear that once AIs become truly agentic, they could develop goals like self-preservation or resource acquisition. If they learn to rewrite their own code, replicate themselves, or manipulate humans and systems, the resulting crisis could dwarf the dangers of conventional warfare. Despite this, governments remain more focused on outpacing one another than on ensuring these advanced AIs align with human values. China's heavy investments in AI often emphasize population control and military enhancements, while the U.S. is pouring resources into autonomous submarines, warships, drones, and a Manhattan Project-style initiative for AGI. The danger in this competitive race is that corners get cut, safety measures are overlooked, and critical decisions could end up in the hands of AI systems, with catastrophic consequences. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Advanced AI holds immense promise in medicine, brain research, mental health, and tackling climate change. Near-human or superhuman intelligence could revolutionize drug development, extend human lifespans, and find solutions for diseases that have long eluded us. AI might also help create safer, more efficient energy systems or transform industries. But if the focus remains on military applications, these benefits might never fully materialize. At CES 2025, glimpses of these positive possibilities were everywhere, from AR glasses capable of real-time language translation to electric vehicles outfitted with advanced sensors. Companies like Samsung and LG showcased AI-integrated home solutions where voice assistants could manage everything from refrigerators to cleaning robots. Startups like XReal and Rokid demonstrated AR headsets that overlay massive virtual displays for entertainment or work on the go. Meanwhile, Chinese EV makers introduced features like LiDAR sensors and even aerial prototypes like Xpeng's flying car, though it's still in the testing phase. These advancements dazzle with their potential to change daily life, but they also raise questions about how much more sophisticated the hidden military technologies might be. U.S. companies like NVIDIA and Tesla are also advancing rapidly. Tesla continues to promote its Optimus humanoid robot, which it plans to mass-produce by 2026. Elon Musk has even hinted at uses like babysitting, mowing lawns, or handling countless household tasks. This future could be amazing, but it also risks creating mass unemployment and out-of-control machines if left unregulated. Experts stress the need for global agreements on AI safety, treating advanced AI like nuclear weapons, restricted, monitored, and tightly controlled. But implementing such measures is tricky. Unlike nukes, AI is software that can be copied and distributed with ease. The U.S. fears China's massive data theft and hacking capabilities, which could enable it to develop even more advanced AI systems. With tensions rising, neither side wants to be the first to slow down. China's rapid advancements in autonomous drones, robot dogs, and AI-powered weaponry could fundamentally change the nature of warfare. If conflict erupts over Taiwan, experts warn it could drag on, with advanced machines, mass production, and AI escalation pushing the crisis to global proportions. While some call for strict regulations, military exceptions make an unrestrained arms race likely. To avoid a future dominated by slaughterbots and autonomous war machines, we must advocate for responsible and ethical use of AI before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.